Hi, this is a tutorial on creating Hybrid Dolby Vision with HDR10 or 10 plus videos using just the HDR10 plus video you have, or if you have two videos, one a standard HDR and the other a Dolby Vision Profile 5. The really useful tool is DDVT, which stands for Donald's Dolby Vision tool, named after its developer, and his work is also based on that of others. So here I have a rip of a UHD title that only got a HDR10 Plus release, and I was able to use the DDVT tool to create a Dolby Vision Profile 8 HDR10 Plus hybrid. Using media info, let me show you the technical details of this video. You can see that it's indeed a DV Profile 8 HDR10 Plus hybrid. Blu-ray.com confirms that this original disc was HDR10 Plus only. So why do this or bother with it? Flexibility. In using whichever HDR capable TV or projector you have and that displays best mode, which may be DV or for some 10 Plus, to enjoy the best picture quality possible out of that display. Here I'm on the thread at Doom9 for DDVT. I'll leave links in the description for everything I reference in this video. You can ask any questions and get help with the tool here. Now clicking on the download link to go to the developer's GitHub site. You can read up on everything this tool can do, and there's a couple things it cannot, as I learned. The key thing is that you cannot add HDR to Dolby Profile 5 video. That's because of Dolby, not a limitation of this tool. But if you do have two files of the same video, one just HDR10 and another just Dolby Profile 5, you can create a new single hybrid video from those. Under Releases, you can download the tool and then unzip it to a folder on your computer. This tool is mostly command line, but to create hybrid videos, you can do so mostly without, and I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, let's get started. So first I have a HDR10 Plus only sample that I downloaded via the Kodi samples wiki here. Going back to the folder where I unzipped DDVT, I'm going to run DDVT hybrid. With this tool open, I'm going to simply grab that HDR10 Plus only video file and simply drop it into here. Tap enter and tap enter a second time because with this use case, we're going to take an HDR10 Plus only file and create a hybrid out of it. By the way, make sure you have ample hard drive space wherever you unzipped DDVT. After the tool is done analyzing your video file, type S for start and press enter. Now you just sit back and let it do its magic. This one will process quickly because it's just a short sample file. After this is done, when you go back to the DDVT folder, you'll find that there's a new folder there called Output, where your hybrid file will be waiting for you. When you check the media info technical details on this video clip, you'll see that you've now indeed converted your original HDR10 Plus into a hybrid video. For the second use case, taking two similar videos with the same length, same aspect ratio, same resolution, width and height, except one being HDR only and the other being DV Profile 5 only. We'll create a new hybrid. I have a DV and a HDR10 Plus here, but let's pretend the HDR10 Plus is HDR only. So, as instructed, you drag and drop the HDR or HDR10 Plus first, followed by DV. Fast forwarding through this a bit. After analysis, in this case, you can see that the tool is warning me that the borders in the two videos don't match. In most cases, this may be because you've got one video that has black bars and the other one where it's cropped. If this happens, let the hybrid conversion process run anyway because I've found the resulting file in most cases turns out just fine. And here's that resulting hybrid file. It could be an HDR DV hybrid or HDR10 Plus DV hybrid depending on your HDR source. Let me play the original DV Profile 5 clip and show you that it has pinkish and purplish colors because this file obviously has no HDR fallback layer. Now, when I play back the hybrid we just created, you'll see that it plays back in normal colors on this non-DV HDR only display. Hope this tutorial was useful. Thanks for watching.